So you've just been in a car accident. The first question that most people ask themselves, or us as attorneys, is who is going to pay my medical bills? And it can kind of be a little bit of a complex answer, but we're here today to answer that question so that it alleviates your concerns and hopefully you'll sleep a little bit better tonight. So after a car accident, there are a couple of different ways that you can pay for your medical bills. In the state of Utah, there is something called personal injury protection, or PIP. And that personal injury protection, or PIP, the minimum amount in the state of Utah is $3,000. There's also something called medical payments coverage, or MedPay, and both of them operate in a similar way. What they do is you run through your own vehicle insurance company the first $3,000, or I've seen a PIP of $10,000, or we had one client who had $100,000 in PIP coverage. But you run your medical care through that PIP coverage initially, and when it's been exhausted, you get a letter from your auto insurance company saying, all right, you've used up all of your PIP coverage. And then we can kind of take the next step to the next type of insurance that you could use. The next step is to use your health insurance. So your health insurance provider has contracts with hospitals, and they cover your bills up to a certain point. And receiving treatment for your injuries from your car accident or other accident and running it through your own health insurance is a pretty standard way that a lot of people choose to have their bills paid for. Now, you have to understand that your insurance company has something called a subrogation right. What subrogation means is just that as part of the settlement of your personal injury case, your health insurance company is entitled to be repaid for any money they paid that arose out of your auto accident. So those injury-related bills would get paid back to the insurance company. Let's say that you don't have health insurance, or you choose not to use your health insurance because your deductible is so high. Another way that you can receive medical care arising out of a car accident is what we call on a lien basis. What we mean by that is that we have a network of doctors and other medical professionals who will wait to be paid until we settle your personal injury case. And the agreement is that out of the proceeds of your personal injury case, they will be paid whatever the value of those medical services that they have actually billed to you. And so there's nothing out of your pocket. They wait to get paid until we settle your personal injury case for you, and then as part of that personal injury case, part of the money is used to repay them. So once we settle your personal injury case, as part of that settlement, we help you to take care of the medical bills that are outstanding. And so as part of that settlement, we'll give you a detailed breakdown of the outstanding medical bills, whether it's money owed to an insurance company or it's money owed to a medical provider who has agreed to give you treatment on a lien basis. But we try and make it really easy and really straightforward so you don't have to stress about your medical bills. The bottom line is that you really should use your personal injury protection, or MedPay, first, and then look to use your health insurance or have medical care given to you on a lien basis. That's just the correct order or way to do things so that you can have a good personal injury case and so that you can get all the treatment that you need. Once again, if you're injured in a car accident or in any other accident and it's not your fault, we'd love to represent you.